AIRplus dispenser system supports and centralizes the filling of boxes with air cushions, thus increasing productivity and reducing space requirements. The dispenser is the ideal solution for quickly and efficiently filling voids in packaging boxes, as well as blocking and bracing to protect products and prevent movement in transport. The AIRplus dispenser system offers the optimal solution for every requirement and is available in 3 versions: Basic, Advanced, and Premium. The basic version of the AIRplus dispenser system dispenses any number of air cushions simply at the press of a button. With its practical on-demand function, the advanced version of the system automatically produces more cushions once the strip has been removed. The number of cushions can also be predefined, and thanks to the override function, adapted at any time to meet current needs. The premium version enables control of the entire system and expands operation with adjustable, quick access buttons via the touchscreen display. The premium version can also be expanded to include void reading and scanning. The AIRplus dispenser system is also available as a container version in Basic, Advanced, and Premium. Efficient, flexible, compact. Storopack's intelligent AIRplus air cushion systems.